Hey guys, it's Whitney. Welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard. If you already have been a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am back with my son, Shadrach. If you have not seen his meet and greet video, definitely go over to my YouTube channel and check that video out, you guys, and give it a thumbs up, like, and comment, and share as much as you can. He was super excited to make this video, so y'all go and show your boy some support. So guys, and today we are going to be doing a review on a toy that he got for Christmas. It's a Mean Machine remote control car that he got, and we were actually going to record this video last night, but I didn't realize that it had already come with a screwdriver. I didn't realize that until this morning. So now that I know that I have all the tools that I need to put this truck together, we're going to go ahead and do that for you guys. So if you are interested in this and you want to see what it is that we're putting together, then stay tuned.
Hey guys, my name is Shadrach, and today we're going to be reviewing my Christmas gift called the Mean Machines. And if you want to see us build it, stay tuned for the next clip. And I want this video to get 1 million likes and subscribers. But stay tuned for the next clip.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get into this. Now this truck comes with a variety of different pieces. Like nothing is put together. Like absolutely nothing's put together. We have to literally build this car. So as you can see here, it comes with the instructions, and y'all, I'm not good at building stuff at all. I was actually going to leave this up to my stepdad and him to do, but my stepdad's out of town, so we don't have a choice. So thankfully we have some instructions here. And yeah, this is the little car. Actually, I tested this out this morning, so I actually did pretty good with it. So that came together. This is actually the car that we're gonna have. I did not know that it actually came with the screwdriver, so I'm actually glad that we have this so we can actually put it together. But y'all, this is pretty much the car. Like it comes with all the different pieces, the screws, the batteries, the wheels. Thankfully they gave us batteries, because usually they don't do that. They usually tell you to go get your own stuff. But we have everything here. And what's this that we got?
We got the stickers, so like when we
Show the stickers.
We got the stickers, so like when we put all the stuff on the car, if they put all this stuff on the car, then when we put all this stuff on the car that's in the box, we can decorate the thing however we want to. Well, we can't do it whatever kind we want, but you have to do it how they do it.
So yeah, they gave us some stickers, and we can pretty much, when the car's actually built, he can go in and put whatever he wants on it. But I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and then here is the actual remote control of the car. So guys, we are going to go ahead. Oh, let me see that. And then they gave us the screws, so we have like all the screws and stuff that's needed. So guys, just stay tuned for this next clip if you want to see us go ahead and build this thing. As you can see, we have put the tires on this car, y'all. We did a good job.
Yeah.
Awesome job. We did it. So now we have to do the body of the car. Y'all see it looks pretty plain. If you ask me, this looks pretty awesome in itself. But now we're going to go to the next thing, which is putting on the body, so stay tuned for that video. Alright guys, so sorry we had to take a minute and we had to reread over these instructions. They were kind of confusing, so we are moving on. So now we're going to add these little, I call them springs things. We're going to add these on to the car. Alright, so we're going to use these short little springs here to put them on the front two corners of this car. Yeah, this is a masterpiece. So pretty much what we're going to do, we're going to have to screw this on. I'm going to have to take a screw. As y'all can see, just put like the, they have these little things here. You can see them, these little things with holes in them right here. And they have to put this flat piece on that and use a screw and screw it in. Alright.
Yes, please.
Part done. As you can see, like I got it screwed on to that part, so now I have to screw this top piece. They got like a little there's another piece up here that I need to screw, so I have to use another screwdriver, so y'all can see that, and I just have to screw this piece on.
So, when we start using this, when we're done with this, then how are we going to be able to use it afterwards?
There's this last piece that I'm trying to get on the inside of this piece, and it is not going in whatsoever. So I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but we're just going to go on to the next one because we're spending too much time on this. So the next step, number 4, we've got one more step after this. This is the antenna. So they want us to put this antenna through here, thread the antenna through the sleeve, and then what's it say? And then antenna through the body. Make sure the chaos points line up with the holes. I don't get that, but the bigger piece is. here's the body piece. And I'm pretty sure
if you guys
this is supposed to go through here like that, but I cannot get that piece in whatsoever. So move back and use secure pins. What are we supposed to secure the pins with?
Depends.
Use pins to secure body in place. So what are we supposed to do? That's a screw. That's not a pin. No.
What pin? Oh, pins. These pins.
So these, what's this for? Is it for the, open this up for me so I can see it. Turn it to the directions. I need to see the directions. So does the antenna go through that piece?
We have to do this first.
Yeah, the antenna. So you can see it has like different holes in it. Here and up front. So the antenna is going to go through here. So they got one up here. What does that mean? Okay, so we have these pins here. These are some small pins. I just showed them that.
Oh.
Some small pins, and y'all can see the body part is on. We still have one more piece, but I'm gonna figure out where we're supposed to put these pins at.
The pins say it's like somewhere by the string.
Well, they got pins a couple places. They got them I can't see. They got them here, here, and here. Basically where these things are at.
Oh, okay. But I guess we don't need the last one, so we can just do
No, we're gonna use that one too. Figured out the pins. They go up top so that the body stays in place. So now the only piece that we have left to do is this little piece here that which we have to screw in, which is going to go on the back of the car.
Yeah. We can just put them.
So one thing at a time, one thing at a time. Now it's going to have to be both in now. Yeah, but this one wants to be crooked though. We gotta make sure that they're being screwed in straight. Over here.
able to see it. What you're doing. Guys, so finally, after this probably took us probably an hour and a half, but as you can see, the car is done. He pretty much decorated it like he wanted to. This was not an easy project. Like I said, it may be easy to some of y'all, but I don't do this on a regular basis. So the last thing that we're going to do, I'm going to let him test this out. We got the batteries and everything with it. Is there anything that you want to say before we end this?
No, but we have to turn it on first.
So he didn't have anything to say other than telling me that we need to turn it on. So I thought he would have something to say to you guys, but he doesn't. He just wants to show y'all what it looks like, and then we are going to end it. So guys, I just want to say thanks so much. Definitely, guys, give this video a thumbs up. This took a whole lot of work. Give this video a thumbs up. He was really excited about doing this. I was hesitant, but it was fun at the end of the day. So we really appreciate you guys just tuning in and watching us. Definitely, again, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share as much as you can. And if you haven't already, definitely go and subscribe and hit that notification bell button, guys, so that you guys can stay in tune with my updated YouTube videos. So guys, we appreciate you guys, and pretty much how we're going to end this is we're just going to show you pretty much how this thing is rolling. It looks pretty awesome. I really actually like it. So just stay tuned, and we'll see you guys. If we do another video, we'll see you then. See you later.
Hey guys, we're about to go outside. Test this.
Let's make this a quick test because I feel the cold. Is it already on?
Oh, someone didn't close the door though.
Is the switch on?
Yeah.
Woo, Jesus. Okay, hurry up, hurry up. Put it down and test it.